If you want to know the secret to perfectly wrapped moi moi and you also want to have a very delicious moi moi to serve your family, then this is the video to watch. Hi everyone, my name is Steph and you're welcome to Steph's Life in Spices. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the perfect moi moi. I'm very sorry that I skipped how to peel your beans. So this is just where I'm going to be starting this video with. So the ingredients that we'll be using for this is the egg, the corned beef, and also the titus fish. Well, you can also decide to use just your egg and titus. I seldomly use the corned beef. Then I like using coconut milk. I see it as my own secret ingredient because it makes it moist. There's actually a difference if you try it. I've actually done my whole moi moi with and without the coconut milk. Well, anyone can work. You can just like try out anyone. The different times you're going to cook, then you would like decide one you settle with. Besides, sometimes you will not even have the coconut milk. This is to tell you that whether you use the coconut milk or not, your food is still going to be buzzing, like it's still going to be tasting so nice. So make sure you debone your fish. You don't want people to be eating and then they'll be selecting the bone from the food. No, that's not what we're going to be doing. Now you just cut your egg so that you can partition it into the different momo wraps you're going to be making. Yes, so the next thing I'll be showing you is moi moi leaf. You can just get that from the market. They would give it to you. Most times you would see a very fresh one. You can just use your scissors and chop off the stem. I'll show you something very important you need to do so that your moi moi wrap will actually be wrapping. So stir your batter properly, then add your coconut milk. There's no measurement, so you can just add as much as you would like, but I advise you not to add too much because it's not a major ingredient in our meal. So I didn't really like the color that the momo was giving in my batter, so I just added a little more tatashe. But make sure you properly stir it so that it would blend properly. You don't want some parts white and then some parts the added color, the added tatashe, I mean. So yeah. Then you add your curry powder, you add your Maggi cube. Don't forget to taste so that you make sure that your food is going to be nice. Then you're going to also be adding a cup of oil, not too much, just the right amount. Then you just stir everything properly to combine. So I won't be talking too much because I just want you to focus and see this. Notice that I cut off the stem to like a little bit of like just like you saw the distance that I used. Now notice how when I fold it, it folds seamlessly like it's as if it's elastic. I've actually seen videos where people have to like burn the leaf so that they will make it elastic, but this is what I do. Now look at this video and see what happens when you don't cut off that little bit of stem. Once you bend it, you're going to see it's going to break. Not just going to break, it's going to tear the wrap. And then when you put your moi moi batter inside, it's just going to pour. So ensure you always cut off that stem. It is very important to making sure that your moi moi comes out in that perfect shape that you want it to. So yes, I also have I showed you again how you could do it. So if you didn't get it the first time, there's another video there's another recording still here where you're going to see me do it again. You can just like watch it over and over again till your master it. So did you see? Now I removed the stem and what happened? It became elastic and it bent. So yes, but I didn't really condemn this one. I just used it. So now we already know what to do. So I'm just going to keep quiet till you just watch this, please. Yeah. So I decided to add how you could wrap your foil. That is, if you're a fan of doing moi moi with foil. The thing about moi moi is that moi moi has different tastes. If you taste the foil one, it's different. You taste the leaf one, it's different. You taste the nylon one, it's different. You taste the ones in the cup for baking, it's different. Like moi moi is just vast, and that's why I love it. Yes, but I'm just going to be showing you just in case you want to use it once in a while, then that's fine. I just see it as a bonus, just in case it's something you might like to do or to use. Yeah. So guys, can you see how my moi moi wrap turned out? Yeah, it looks so fine. Your first time, it might be a little bit difficult, but trust me, you're going to get a hang of it very, very soon because I think I actually did justice to make sure I probably explain it very, very well. Don't forget to use little amount of water because moi moi cooks with heat. So you don't need to add so much water so it doesn't enter your moi moi and then it will make it soggy and everything. Don't forget that it cooks for 45 minutes, no more, no less. Cover your food with one of the leaves, that is when you're done. So yes guys, look at how this moi moi looks. Trust me, it tastes as good as it looks. So yes, I hope you enjoyed watching my video as much as I enjoyed teaching you and showing you one of my recipes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you soon. Bye.